This is a BFDI size comparison. Walkie, icy, glassy. However, this size, we're not done yet. We should be showing each comparative by size. This is some competitors, but not done yet. These comparisons weren't used for the size comparison because that would be too many, or just a bit too many. The size comparison. So instead, we'll be checking on each BFDI character size comparison. As you can see, we start from Grassy, and Grassy appears in BFDI episode 17. TB, show it. Show off Grassy. So as we can see in this TV, we will see Grassy's normal rate. Now Grassy in BFDI episode 8 was, well, he had no face. Let's compare it. Now I don't get the iPad. I already know what it looks like. As Grassy was probably looks the same with Tree. As you can see him right here. Okay. Now Grassy in BFDI episode 8 was fourth the size of Tree. Tree is also in BFDI episode 8. So we know the height. Now it's time to measure Grassy. For measuring Grassy, we will do this step by step. TV, please get out of the way. We will be showing each one as one meter. They will be yellow. I don't know why. This is 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches, 6. That means Grassy is literally 6 inches long. Now Grassy is actually, now we know the height of Grassy. He is 6 inches long, and since that means Tree must be 24 inches long, or 2 feet long. Tree being 2 feet long. TV is 1.5 feet long. It's the same. Spongy is the same as Tree. For measuring him, we will use a hexagon. Now I know, like, people like, Tujo, what are you talking about? But I know it's actually going to be a blue hexagon. Now, I mean, it doesn't matter what color it is. I'm just going to show you it. So, we'll now, this hexagon will resemble 1 foot. or pentagon, sorry. That was a mistake. So this hexagon is inside of here now. Hexagon has 5 sides. We are only using one of the sides of this hexagon as 1 foot. Now it's kind of a bit hard, so we think instead maybe I should use a square. There, now we have its 4 borders, at least 3, these 3, and now we got ourselves a foot. It's time to measure Spongy, which is this last part 1. Now, for the result. We're using Grassy to measure each of these contestants. 1 Grassy, 2 Grassies, 2.5. Spongy is 2.5 Grassies long. See and put 2 of the measuring and goodbye.